Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will be discussing obstetrical scan and its importance. The first obstetrical scan which is done in gestation is the dating scan. डेटिंग स्कैन जचकी का पहला अल्ट्रासाउंड होता है जो जचकी के 5वें, 6ठे या 7वें हफ्ते में होता है। इस स्कैन में हम जेस्टेशनल सैक यानी जचकी की थैली को असेस करते हैं। Normally, gestational sac is seen in the uterine cavity, and in this cavity we see the sac, the fetal pole, and the yolk sac. Gestational sac has its own importance. First importance is that we see the location of the sac. It should be intrauterine, and we also exclude any other abnormality which might be occurring in the uterus. Whenever the patient comes for the first obstetrical scan, normally we assess the sac, the cardiac activity, and the position of the sac. In certain cases, patient comes with extreme pain in early gestation. These are the cases in which we exclude ectopic gestation. Ectopic gestation means the gestational sac is not in its normal position and it is lying in the fallopian tubes, which is an abnormal position and has to be dealt immediately by the gynecologist. So, whenever a patient is aware that there is a pregnancy, the patient should immediately consult a gynecologist and visit a sonologist to see the position of the sac and the normal gestation, early gestation, dating scan. It has different, whatever you might call it. And so the dating scan is the first scan which should be done immediately after the pregnancy test becomes positive. Kindly don't ignore this scan because it has its own significance, and the main purpose of it is also that the growth scan later on can be assessed according to the measurements and the biometry of the gestational scan. Take care of yourself. Health is very important to everybody, so don't ignore this scan. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.